Today I'm going to be unboxing this Tutu Tiara sterling silver pendant J cross necklace, but I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product, so we can go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to show you what it looks like. You can see it is nicely packaged. It comes in a lovely gift box. This is what the gift box looks like. Very nice. And not only does it have a gift box, it actually comes with a little gift bag also. So this is perfect for anniversaries, Christmas, birthday gifts. Take a look. It's actually really nice packaging. This is what the front looks like. Here is a card from the company, and then the back, it comes with a little bit of instructions on the product. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. So it does come in a little baggie like this. So if you are gifting it to somebody, I would recommend you take it out of the little plastic box and put it neatly on the gift bag. So it does come in a little bag like this, and then a bigger bag like this. Go ahead and take it out. And here it is, the cross J style pendant necklace. You can see the smooth sterling silver finish, the delicate cross design, and the matching round pendant. It is minimal, modern, and very versatile. This piece is made from a 925 sterling silver, hypoallergenic, lead-free, and nickel-free. So it's safe for sensitive skin. The chain feels sturdy, but it's still lightweight. And the lobster clasp makes it easy to put on. I love that it's adjustable from 15.7 to 17.7 inches, so you can wear it as a choker or slightly longer necklace. So if you're looking for a high quality, thoughtful gift for yourself or for a loved one, then I would definitely check this one out. I'll link it down below.